As mentioned in our previous episode, Princess Cruise Lines is typically not what you would choose if you want to cruise with kids, because it has more of an adult environment and there's alcohol everywhere, and so on and so forth. But what if you have kids with you? Where would you want your kids to stay where they would be safe and entertained and you could get some relaxation away from them? Well, here's your answer.
We're going to check out the kids and teens area here. We're going to meet with the manager so she can give us a tour. It's Camp Discovery and the beach house.
And it's such a nice, so we're going to give you a tour. She's actually, Mitzi is the name of the manager of this area right here, and she is going to give us a tour of the place. So let's go and have a look.
Hello, welcome to the tree house. I'm going to have you wear the mic.
Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to the Camp Discovery Youth Program. Okay, so we start with this, the tree house room, which is ages from 3 to 7. At the moment, we're like preparing for our Christmas decorations and our Christmas gifts. And look at this one, it's very messy at the moment because we have a lot of things to do. Like we've got this what do you call this one, the nativity. Look at that. Yeah, we are very creative. Look at my stuff, they are very nice. Okay, so we're gonna move. Yeah, so basically this area is our arts and crafts. This is our arts and crafts. We put a lot of stuff for every session, or especially at nighttime, we have our theme nights. Like later at night, we have the pirate nights. We have pirate nights. So yesterday we have the cowboys night, and then last time we have the silly sailor night. So we have every night we have different things to do for fun and games for the kids. And see, look at this one. This is our jungle gym. The kids love to play here. Yeah. Okay, so and then this is our water station, because we are not allowed to have food and drinks in here. Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, we are only yeah, we have food events, but basically we go down to our to the buffet or any, like, yeah. During our how to say this, a lot of kids next cruise. So yeah, this is our.
Oh, how cute!
Yeah, this is like, yeah.
Sit there so they can see. No,
come on, just like, yeah.
Next to it, so they know how small it is.
Yeah, see?
Oh my God, look how small that is.
Yeah, so cute, yeah. And then, yeah, aside from that, we have our outside play area here.
Oh, they have an
out there. Yeah, this is our outside play area. So yeah, so sometimes we bring some bubbles over here. Yeah, we play, and then we have also outside play games for them. Yeah, okay, it's very nice. So of course the kids will love it here. Aside from, oh, look at the sunset.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, we're gonna go to the next room. We have on the other side, this is like 3 to 7. Oh. So aside from we have PlayStation, we have a Nintendo Switch.
Wow.
Yeah, we have a lot of, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Discovery.
This is 8 to 12.
This is the 8 to 12. This is the lodge room.
Look at this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is like the ski ball. Okay, yeah.
I'm going to a cruise in February. I'm going to wear this.
Okay. Yes. Here it's a little bit like adult or a pre-teens program, because
so from 8
to 12. Yeah. Yeah. So they have the arcade play games, which is the ski balls. We have the air hockey, and the foosball. And we have a lot of arts and crafts here. Yeah, different arts and crafts every day they have a lot of like things to do. Yeah, board and card games a lot. Yeah. Now it's very messy in here. Okay, yeah, because the kids was a lot of the things they made today. This like in the big screen we mostly use the Nintendo Switch. They love to do the jazz dance, and with the karaoke here.
Wow.
Yeah, we have the nightlife. This is like from Spotify. So this is like an online, like now this is only updated. Yeah, they keep the karaoke. We have, yeah, they have it. And then if they like to, we're gonna just give the microphone to them, and then they're gonna sing. Yeah. All right. So cardboard and board game, card games, board games. Yeah, we have. And then we're gonna move on to the bigger kids, which is the teen
really?
center.
The real
So
teens.
yeah, the teen center. Yeah.
13 years old and older.
17.
Oh, there.
The 13 years old, yeah, the beach house, we have like the hours of operation. Mostly they finished late night, like until like 1 a.m. Yeah,
Oh,
because
really?
this is like come and go program for those teenagers who wanted to be part of our program. They need to register first, and then the parents will give them like things. It's up to them how you communicate, but because of this medallion that we have, it's easy for them to. This is like, you know, if you go outside for tomorrow, you can put drinks. This is like the kids love this one. For the teens, they have ping pong, and then aside from that, we have an open now activities outside the center. We have the rock the boat party only for the teens.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then we have the family fun fair. It's all for the family. It's downstairs to the Grand Piazza. If we have a lot of kids, we have the Stanley the Bear, the breakfast with Stanley. It's very nice. Yeah. So we have a lot of, we are very
Get bored.
we are very busy. Like some of the kids, they don't want to stay with their parents after that because they want to stay with us. But then we open during port days.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we have basically it's very nice. Yeah. So hopefully yeah they will not get bored. Yeah.
Wow, thank
Yes,
you very
it's-
much for the tour.
Yeah, no problem. Always welcome here, and thank you for coming.
Wow, thank you.